and we are currently in, what is this called? Rose is teaching me here, so what is this called?
We call this payag.
A payag.
Payag.
Payag? So we are sitting in a payag, which is a nice little shaded area. I swear, when I walked in this little hut, or it's wide open on the sides, but it's covered. But it's got to be 20 degrees, well, maybe not that, but probably like 15 degrees cooler in here than outside. Outside in the sun, man, I am sweat pouring off of me, but in here, it feels a lot better. That's pretty cool shade area. I like it. So what is a payag mainly used for? Just hanging out or social events?
Yeah.
To rest? Very nice.
Here.
How about is making out? Is it for making out?
I
I think payags would be good for making out. No. So, Rose and I are here at the Green One. What a nice little resort here. Very impressed with the room. Right by the water. Got a nice little water view here from our payag. From our payag. This is our personal payag here at the Green One. If you look really hard, you can see the mountains in Cebu. They're way off there. I don't know if you can see them or not. You know what? I'll bring the other camera tomorrow or later today, and we'll see if we can film around. See the mountains?
Yeah.
So, anyway, we're out. I think we're going to go get something to eat. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, get a snack.
Getting hungry.
Getting hungry.
For you, man.
Oh, she's getting hungry for me.
I'm just
Well, we're in our payag. We're already in our payag. How do you say hungry in
Gutom.
Gutom.
Gutom na ko. Gutom na kayo ko.
Gutom na kayo kung? Did I say that at all right? I'm out. Bye.